Number 2 is limit of piecewise function. So there is a typo here. So this is not step function, this is piecewise function. Find limit of piecewise function whenever they exist. So the piecewise function is f of x equals 5x minus 1 for x less than 1, and 7 minus 2x minus x squared for x greater or equal to 1. So A, limit as x approaches 1 from the left. From the left means when x is less than 1. So from the left it is f of x is 5x minus 1. That is f of 1 is 5 times 1 minus 1. F of 1 is 4. So that's from the left. From the right, limit as x approaches 1 from the right f of x, and that is when x is greater than 1. So from the right it is this function f of x is equal to 7 minus 2x minus x squared. Then f of 1 is 7 minus 2 times 1 minus 1 squared, which is 4. Okay, now from the left it is 4, from the right it is 4. That means the limit from the right is equal to the limit from the left. That means the limit exists and it is 4. Then f of 1 is when x is equal to 1, which is this function f of x equals 7 minus 2x minus x squared. Then f of 1 is 7 minus 2 times 1 minus 1 squared, which is 4. So this is the limit from the left equals the limit from the right, which that makes the limit exists, it is 4. And the f of 1 is 4. That means this function is continuous. Please subscribe, share, and like. And ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.